So the solution to a system of inequalities. The solution set of a system of linear inequalities into variables is a set of all ordered pairs that satisfy each inequality in the system. Let's take a look at example 5. It says graph the solution set of the system. Now we have a system of inequalities. We're going to go ahead and graph each inequality on the same set of axes. The graph of the solution region of the system is a region contained in the graphs of both inequalities. So it's the intersection where the shadings overlap. So for the first equation, let's go ahead and leave it in y equals mx plus b form. So we have x minus 3y is less than 6. X minus 3y equals to 6. We subtract x on both sides. We have negative 3y equals to negative x plus 6. We divide everything by negative 3. So we have y equals to 1/3 of x. Positive divided by a negative is a negative. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Remember, when we divide by a negative sign, we flip the sign. So this is going to be y is greater than 1/3 of x minus 2. So let's go ahead and graph that inequality first. This is going to be a dashed line. So let's graph this one in blue first. So negative 2 right here. And then this is going to go up 1 and 3 to the right. Up 1 and 3 to the right. Up 1, 3 to the right. Or down 1, 3 to the left, down 1. And again, this is a dashed line. Okay, so for this inequality, it says greater than, so that means we're going to shade above. Okay, so we're going to be shading on this side of that line. All right, let's go ahead and do the next line. We have 2x plus 3y is greater than or equal to negative 6. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Equal to negative 6. So we subtract 2x on both sides. We have 3y equals to negative 2x minus 6. Divide everything by 3. So that's y equal to negative 2 over 3x minus 6 divided by 3, 2. We did not divide by a negative, so the sign stays the same. So this is greater than or equal to negative 2/3 of x minus 2. So let's go ahead and graph that line. So my y-intercept is negative 2. Let's do this one in this color, negative 2. So negative 2, and now we're going to move down 2 and 3 to the right. So down 2 and 3 to the right, down 2 and 3 to the right, down 2 and 3 to the right. Now this one is going to be a solid line. Okay. So remember, we're graphing this one in purple, and this is a solid line. This is going to be a solid line. Now for this line, we need to shade above because it's greater than. So we're shading above. So where my shadings overlap, that's going to be my solution set. They're overlapping over here on the green shading. That's going to be my solution set. For example 6, this one you can go ahead and try it out. So this one, try it out. For example 7, again, we're going to graph both of the lines using the slope-intercept form. So for the first one, we have 2x plus 3y equal to 6. We subtract 2x on both sides. So we have 3y equal to negative 2x plus 6. Divide everything by 3. So that's y equal to negative 2 over 3x plus 2. My sign stays the same, so this is y greater than or equal to negative 2 over 3x plus 2. Let's go ahead and graph that line. So positive 2 over here, and then my slope is negative 2 over 3, so down 2, 3 to the right, down 2, and 3 to the right. Down 2, and 3 to the right. And this is a solid line. Correct, this is a solid line. And for this one, it says that it's greater than or equal to. So we're going to go ahead and shade above. Okay, so that's the first line. Now let's go ahead and graph the second line. So we have 2x plus 3y is less than or equal to 0. So we have 2x plus 3y equal to 0. Now we subtract 2x on both sides. We have 3y equal to negative 2x. That's it, because plus 0 is nothing, divided by 3. So I have y, the same sign, less than or equal to negative 2 over 3x. So over here, my y-intercept is 0, 0. So right here. And then we're going to move 2 down and 3 to the right. So 2 down and 3 to the right. 2 down and 3 to the right. 2 down, 3 to the right. This is also a solid line. Okay. So this is going to be a solid line. And for this one, it says that it's less than or equal to, meaning we're going to shade under. So what's happening over here? If you notice, my shading is not overlapping at any point. That means that this inequality system has no solution.